Rick, thanks for the help.
Don't worry about it. I want the baby to be well set.
Very, very set. Thank you so much.
I can't believe it's a girl.
Me either. I was hoping for a boy.
Either would be a blessing. I'm just happy the baby's healthy.
That's true. Hold on. Me hungry, see? Could I eat down the whole place? But I love some patty right now. Or some KFC.
Yeah, you that son? It's a girl. How you feel about it? Alright man, when the baby come, your whole mind not gonna change.
Rick, the doctor said me have to eat lots of fruit. So me I wonder if you could go to the fruit man and get me some mango and some watermelon. That would be nice.
Don't worry about it man. We get all of that and some more. Alright?
Alright, Rick. Thank you.
You think of any baby names? Would you like help with that?
I think about Rosita. What you think? Or it sound bad? You think it sound bad? Rosita. Me like it. Oh God, she a kick. She love kick, you see? You want feel?
No man, make Richard feel.
Come on, come feel.
She kick a lot man. You never experienced something like that, don't you? No man, it would be weird still. So did me and Sebastian used to kick like that? Yeah man, your mother used to hate it, man, not lie. She used to eat a lot though the two of you. Don't worry man, Richard. Yeah, I get through this. Yeah, everything will go work out for the best.
Raj, sorry I'm late. It's kinda hard finding the hotel.
Don't worry about it man, you're good. I'm glad you're there here too. Me buy you something for drink. Here you like the phone man, you dey on it all the time. Who you text? Cheyenne. Hello?
Sorry, kinda distracted.
Hey cool man, come drink something, enjoy yourself.
But I never drank anything before.
No worry man, light drink. Oh you like it tastes good though.
It's really nice.
So, me no wonder if later on in the week, you know, like if me I go Elsha.
Sorry, I kinda feel weird.
Come on, go upstairs. That got my back. Ugh.
Oh my God, did anybody ever tell you that you look exactly like Drake?
Really? No, I don't look like Drake, come on. Maybe that guy, that Queen Naja is with? You know, Clarence?
Oh, I heard her song. I'm like, oh, Medicine. I really like that song. But you're a cutie. Oh my God, you're like so adorable. Can I have your number? Mwah.
Well,
Oh, so I'm gone for 1 minute and you chat to this disco Barbie.
no,
Come on.
Oh my God, why is your grandmother tripping out?
that's not my grandmother. This is my wife, Tensia. We just got married.
who she a call girl? Either why we have to people my government name for?
Babes, please, it's not that serious. Let's just sleep.
Hey white girl, who you think you chat to me? Don't chat to me.
Oh my god, do you have like dementia or something?
What you just said to me, girl? Eh? Who you think you chat to?
I'm talking to you, Grandma. If you ever hit me like that again, I'll call the cops on you. Right now, I'm trying to be nice, Grandma, so back off. Oh my god, someone call the police!
How you
chatting
doing?
to people.
Please
Stop
call the
that.
police. She's going crazy.
Kill our blood.
Come on, guy, don't do that.
Oh my
Guys,
god,
we should
Jack.
talk for this.
Don't let her leave.
Yeah, I'm not getting
Do it.
involved.
Someone check her phone. What is happening?
Damn, bitch, you got knocked the
Karima, what you really said to me? You say Junior on Instagram with other girl? No, me not believe this. What you mean you say Junior on Instagram with other girl? The love of your life? Is she serious right now? So this is the reason why him haven't been talking to me?
Diana, can you help me with my homework? It's really hard. Please?
Yeah, sure, no problem. So, Olivia, what do you want me to help you with?
I was lying. I don't need help. I just saw that you were really mad and I wanted to give you something to think of.
Wait, what? What you talking about? What do you mean I'm mad? I'm not mad. Hold on. Karima, who's that? Who's that girl? And is she the reason why him stopped call me and text me? But who is she though? I never see her before. And she talk about saying him the love of her life. Like really? This is the reason why Junior stopped dealing with me. I can't believe this. How him for do this to me? Like, I'm so pissed off right now. You not even know. Karima, what going on? No. Him just completely drop off of the face of the earth. No man act like say me do him something. Him not even come talk to me. Him just a post up on Instagram with other gal. Like I say my disrespect me. I can't believe that Junior do this to me. Junior, out of every single body. It's only been a couple months and him already a talk to other people. Him not even make me know what I go on to. She look like some skettle. You see the way she dress? What? Everybody else says she look like me. She don't look nothing like me. Look way better than she. This time on this me. Oh my god, Krima, she not even know pissed off me is right now. Even lucky somebody that Jamaica, you know. The two of them lucky somebody what they down there. Watch what me I go do them. Me I go find a way for call.
Peter, yesterday me and Raj went to the hotel. It was so nice. Really? Where you say? Hotel? More ago? Peter, we have something to tell. What else? What else you have to tell me? Well, we had, Say something, no? Why you just, I can't believe you did that. I mean, I did it already. But me never expect a goody two-shoe like you to do it. Peter, please don't tell. Don't tell nobody, okay? I don't want nobody to know. No worry, me not tell nobody. Where you going? I'm not new. I'm a side girl in no class to it too. Yeah, but I promised Rush I wouldn't say nothing. So please don't tell nobody. Alright, Peter, please don't. Thanks, Peter. No worry, not tell us so. Look at this picture of Brian. Him fool, don't it? I'm really stupid. But no, you like him. I don't want him. I'm an idiot. Don't say me like him again. Alright?
Boy, you do like him. You do like him.
Peter and Brian sitting in a tree. Whatever, Cheyenne. Later.
Later.
Hi, Rush. Yeah, me soon come meet ya. Just wait. Yeah, she got home now. Alright. Remember to bring the tablet, okay? And the iPhone. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah? Alright, no problem. So see ya.
Richard, I don't understand why you're talking up to this girl and buying her stuff. We don't know if it's Richard's child.
Sherry, every single day I cuss about this.
Because it's wrong. He's just a little boy.
Him a local boy will get himself in a big man situation and him have to deal with it.
But Richard, you don't even know if it's his baby. You're just guessing. Why can't you wait till the baby born first?
So what if I have our grandchild, then what? What you want me to do? You want me to not help out? Next thing the baby gets sick, we can't make that happen.
The baby now gets sick, Richard. I'm just tired of this, alright?
Sherry, I'm here to do with everything. Are you still have a problem? You don't have to spend no money.
You're making her get too comfortable, Richard. That's the problem. Him is a little boy, and she a big woman for him. This shouldn't even be happening.
Well, Sherry, it happen and we can't do nothing about it now.
I'm just worried about him.
Babes, stop worrying. I'm gonna deal with it, alright?
Alright, babes. I just don't want nothing happen to Richard, okay? I just want him to be okay.